Well, it's a bit of fun bringing your beach to your backyard, and I love the video you did a few summers ago where you did a bit of a tricked up sandpit for the kids. Tell me a bit about it.
Well, it's not just any normal sandpit. It has a lid that closes on it, which keeps all the animals out. Then that lid can turn into a little seat, which means it's just for the children.
How cool! And this 6-piece PXE DIY project kit has all the tools you need to build your confidence and get started. Inside there's also a materials list and a step-by-step guide. So all that's left is to watch this video.
The first step is to measure and cut everything so we can get the hard yards done and dusted. Start with the sleepers. You'll need 2 lengths at 1100mm and 2 at 1200mm. The 90x35mm pine, you'll need 4 pieces at 410mm and 4 pieces at 190mm. Now the 12 decking boards at 1200mm. Quick tip, clamp down 2 pieces together so you can cut through faster. Now let's get the base together. Measure and mark 50mm down from the 1200mm sleeper lengths on both ends. Then drill 3 pilot holes with a 5mm bit at each end. Align this mark with 1100mm sleepers. Fix the base together with some batten screws. Now things are starting to come together. Lay down 2 pieces of decking at either end. Leave a gap of 10mm between each piece. Or if you have a scrap piece of timber around 10mm, use that. For a flush finish, use a 3mm combined countersink and drill bit. Repeat this step on the other side. Now time for the seats. Align 2 pieces of timber on the base and draw a line on the underside. Align these pieces with the 190mm lengths. Drill 2 countersink holes on either side and fix with 50mm screws. Repeat this step on the other side. Place the 2 seats at opposite ends with a 10mm gap, and then attach 2 hinges to each seat and fasten them. Did I hear someone say backrest? Grab another 2 pieces of timber and place them on with a 10mm gap. Place the 410mm supports wherever suits, then clamp it to the top piece of decking. Flip it over and fix 4 screws into the countersink pilot holes on either side. Then align the bottom piece and drive another 4 screws in either side. Repeat this step on the other side. Place the backrest into position with a 10mm gap of course, then fix 2 hinges to the underside. Now repeat this step on the other side. Almost done. Now for the finishing touches with the detail sander. Sanding is one of those jobs you can keep doing until you are happy. But in this case, I would sand it at least until all the rough edges are no more, so there won't be any splinters. It's now the time to make this sandpit stand out. Paint it bright colours, or simply stain or varnish it to protect it from the weather. The final step before we put some sand into the sandpit is to put some shade cloth on. That'll let the water through and keep the sand in. Team this build up with our new PXC staple gun to get to plates on faster. It's time to fill the sandpit with a good quality sand.
So there you have it.
And you can customise it to suit yourself, as there's a wide range of materials available in Bunnings. Just let your imagination run wild.
And we have heaps more videos you can watch on our YouTube channel, including DIY videos and tool tips too.